Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Engie. I'm missing some nails. It's kind of rough right now. Literally, it hasn't been sunny for like 2 weeks here. It's literally been raining every single day, and I really wanted to film a video, but I can't film it when it's like literally gray outside because then I don't get good lighting, and I don't have all those lighting things. Like a big ass cloud just got in front of the sun. Oh well, whatever, we're still gonna do it. So today I'm gonna be filming like I follow a beauty guru type thing. I think I'm gonna follow Thomas Halbert because he's the one that started the whole trend. And again, like I'm not amazing at makeup. Like I just started this channel for fun, and because I love doing makeup. I can never do like the artistic things that like James Charles can do. I mean, hopefully like in the future I can, but right now no.
I don't know how to edit like the same time like the video that I'm watching like people do, and they put it in a little corner. I know how to like, I'll probably like video record it and then put it in the corner because I think I know how to do that, but I don't think it's gonna be in sync.
Just disclaimer. Oh, and I might look green right now because I woke up and my face was so red. So I already put primer on. I used my Milani primer, and then I put some green concealer literally all over my face and I blended it out. So if I look a little green, but literally my cheeks were so red and I scratched myself like right here. You can't really see it anymore, but this was like irritated. So I put some green concealer on my face and some Milani primer if you were wondering. So I'm just gonna skip that. So he's using a beauty blender and his Huda Beauty foundation, but because I don't have that, I'm gonna use the Born This Way. I just got this. I've used it like 2 times and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I just don't know. So this is in the shade Nude. So 1 pump is like all you need. Like this is what comes out when you just press it like all the way down. This is almost like too orange. I don't know what undertone I have. It's honestly so annoying. Like you know how you can do it by the veins? So I tried that. Pretty much all my colors show. I think that means neutral, but I don't know like how to tell that from like a foundation bottle, if that makes sense. Wait, I'm like mad. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna follow Thomas Halbert. I kind of switched it up in the middle. So I was following a Thomas Halbert one, but then like he only did his eyeshadow and I wanted to do one that follows like every step that a beauty guru makes. And most of his videos are just like reviews and not really like tutorials. So I'm just gonna follow a James Charles one because it's just like easier and he just explains like every single step. And it's not a review, like it's just like a tutorial. So I thought like that was just gonna be easier. I'm doing the glitter freckles makeup tutorial. And you can see he is using the Born This Way foundation.
To conceal today, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey. And
he just said he's in the shade Light Medium Honey, but I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey. And I know I'm like tanner than him, right? I thought I was tanner than him. So yeah, so he just puts it on. So I'm going to put mine on. It doesn't really show exactly how he'd applied it, but he's just blending his under eyes, so that's where I'm gonna put mine. My dog is barking and he wants to be in this room. This room is really hot because the sun is out and I'm getting hot. He's like barking in the other room because he can't be downstairs right now because my mom is having like a little tea party with her friends. I don't know where to put him, so I put him in the other room where it's a lot cooler, and he's barking right now because he doesn't like being alone. But he can't be in this room because he's a Shih Tzu and his hair is long. And you already saw what happened, where he like stepped on my face. Like, oh my god. So like, I don't know what to do. I guess I'm gonna bring him here and he's gonna make another appearance.
Like I don't understand, like it's really hot in this room. It's really hot in this room.
Next, he's taking Laura Mercier translucent powder. I only have the Airspun.
to lock our face in place today, we're going to be using, of course, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. During the summertime.
And then he kind of did it like everywhere else. So he's using his Hoola bronzer. I don't have that. I have this Wet n Wild's contouring side.
As always, and then my Morphe M405 brush, and you can
405 brush. I don't have a Morphe 405 brush, but I have a Morphe M530 brush, and that's what I'm gonna use.
know you can use code JADES for 10% off.
Use code JADES for 10%
Since
off.
I didn't
I'm gonna use this one by Wet n Wild.
to pack on the bronzer, and for this I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola bronzer as always, and then my Morphe M405
He's
brush.
using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, but I don't have that. But it looks like this banana color literally right here, so I'm just gonna use that. He uses another brush that looks kind of like this, but I use this one for the contouring, so I'm not gonna use this one. But I have this, and this is a Morphe brush. It doesn't have the color, it doesn't have the number on it because I got this in a set, but he uses this color right here in the Shade and Light palette, and he puts it to reinforce the highlights on his face. And literally the only place in the video that he put it is his forehead, so like I'm gonna put it on my forehead.
I'm next going to grab my Luxie 180 nose contouring brush and dip into the middle shade and the left shade of the Shade and Light palette, and then lightly contour my nose.
Okay, I think I did too much. I'm gonna like blend it out with this, like it's a chubbier brush. I put way too much of this on. Now he's baking his face again. Oh my god, so many steps. And now he's baking the sides of his nose.
I'm going to grab a little bit more Laura Mercier powder and just lightly bake the sides of my nose just to make sure it's really, really locked in place.
Okay, so he did his eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, so he's using Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm gonna use Jaclyn Hill palette. He's taking this orange mac and cheese shade right here. I'm using a M433 brush. I think he said this orange shade right up in here, and he was like, this orange shade right up in here, so like I don't know what orange shade he's talking about. It was like over here, and it looks like this color, so I'm gonna take this color right here.
Another M433 brush, and I'm going to dip into this orange shade right up in here and put that in the crease once again to deepen it up.
Then I already did this eye, but he takes this brown shade right here. It's like a warm brown shade, and he takes like a little blending brush, and then he puts it right here, and he kind of wings out the shade a little bit.
This warm tone brown shade right up in here, and start to deepen out the outer corner into the
This
crease.
eye looks so much better than this eye. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know.
First world problems, guys.
I'm going to be super, super careful with this color because adding too much black can really ruin this look very, very, very quickly.
So he's taking the black in this palette, so the shade right here, and he's putting a tad bit on a brush and putting it on the outer corner. So let's pray to God that this doesn't ruin the look. It looks blended to me. Hopefully it looks blended on the camera, but in real life, it honestly, it looks really pretty. Now I'm gonna work with this eye that literally hates me and never likes looking cute. I don't think like his outer V is like this black as I made it, but again, it's like very tricky to work with, like with blacks. And I'm still trying to like blend this eye to make it look like this eye, because I really like this eye. Then this one is just like, I don't know what the fuck it's doing. So next thing he does, so he takes the 35O palette and he's gonna cut his crease with this shade right here.
I'm going to dip into this orange shade in the bottom right corner and just use this to carve out the crease.
This is a 239 brush from MAC, and I'm just gonna spray it with some Max Fix Plus and just have it coated like this. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just cutting my crease, and what cutting your crease means pretty much is just putting this shade on like the first half of your eyelid.
I'm going to grab the Stila liquid glitter stuff.
Ooh, I have that. Okay, so he has his Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. He's using the shade Rose Gold, and I don't have that shade, but the closest one I have is Kitten Karma. I don't know if this looks like shit or if this looks good. I honestly tried my best, guys. I'm not a professional. I do this for fun. I promise there's the same amount on each eye, but it just looks a little like different right now. Okay, so he's taking this shade again, the one that we worked with a while ago, and he's just smoking it out on the bottom too. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. His looks so much better than me. It's not even funny. And now he takes a small brush. So I guess I'm just gonna go in with the M562 brush. He dips in this shade right here. And then he puts it on the bottom. He's using Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put this Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt waterproof mascara on. He's using his House of Lashes, but I don't have that. I have some cheap ones, so let me just get those. Okay, so these are the lashes I have. They're honestly not that bad, but they're not as thick as the ones he has. These are from Allure, and they look like this. I'm not even gonna show you, but yeah. I'm gonna put them on off camera because this literally takes me like 15 minutes to do. So I'll be right back. I had a little bit of malfunction with my eyelashes. Took me like 15 minutes to put them on, like always, but let's begin with the next thing. So she's using an Anastasia highlighter. It looks kind of like rose goldy. So the closest thing I have in my collection is this 0 for 1. I'll be using a M501 brush to blend it all in, and so is he. And now I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones. So he puts quite a lot of highlight on his nose. I never put highlight on my nose, but because this is a literally following step by step what he does, I'm gonna do it. So he takes like a little brush, kind of, it looks like this a little bit. So just a small little brush. I'm gonna dip it in my highlighter.
I'm gonna highlight my nose using my M431 brush.
That looks really cute. I don't know, you probably can't see it on camera. I didn't apply that much. Oh, we put a little bit right here too, so I'm just gonna...
If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you know that this whole redoing my setup process is...
I feel cute. I feel like really cute. I have way too much makeup on, but I look cute.
Final thing, he puts glitter freckles on. The makeup tutorial is literally called Glitter Freckles Makeup Tutorial, but because I'm going somewhere after this, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm gonna set my face in place using my Morphe Prep and Set Setting Spray.
Okay, so he uses a lip pencil. I literally don't own one lip pencil. So like he didn't put lipstick on, which like I'm literally living for because I hate lipstick. Low key, he just put a like, he just lined his lips and I guess he filled it in with that. So his lips like are like naturally really pink. So I was thinking like I could just put like a little bit of this on, just like, that was the Precious liquid lipstick from Milani. And I'm like blending it in with my finger.
I think I'm officially done with this makeup tutorial.
I think it turned out really cute. I'm gonna... Please tell me what you think and if you liked it as much as I did. I really like it. Again, his final look is a lot more red, and I used literally the exact same colors, the exact same steps, and his looks a lot more red. I don't know if it's like the lighting in his studio, but I'm just using natural daylight, and this is what it looks like for me. It's very like orange brown. See, like, oh, okay, see, like this is the sun. Oh god, that's what it looks like in natural daylight. I'm gonna close that now. This is what it looks like normally, so I don't know why I look so red with his, but this is what it looks like for me. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video down below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching again. Bye guys.